Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download albums in Google Photos on computer. So how to download albums in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Then move the cursor to the left of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the album or menu. Now this is in the album menu. Next, tap the album to be shared. Now this is in the album. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of options. Tap the three-dot icon. A scrolling menu will appear. Tap Download All. Wait for the download process to complete. Now after it's finished it will appear like this. This is the result of downloading albums. So that's it, tutorial how to download albums in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.